Right, I definitely feel like I've let you all down and I've got some serious explaining to do. So I think the end of the last video, which I still haven't edited together yet, I think I was leaving Skye and I said I was going to go to Fort William and do some mountain biking and film some more. So since then, a lot has happened and I've been absolutely useless at filming. So what did I do? The last shot I think I got was the Skye, going over the Skye Bridge, which was the last video. Hopefully, when I get it edited together and get it out. Then what happened? Then we went down to Fort William and we had half a day or so of mountain biking, and it was too windy, so the lifts got closed, so I couldn't do any filming. Deb was going to do the filming, I was going to do the riding, but I did one warm-up run and another little pissing about really, and again didn't really film anything, so that was a bit disappointing, but had fun regardless. What happened after that? After that, this is where I've really let you all down. We climbed BEN NEVIS. So I was being, well, not a lazy bastard because I climbed BEN NEVIS, but we climbed it and I didn't want to lug my camera bag and everything that goes with it up to the top of the highest mountain in the UK. So all I did was take a shed load of pictures when I got to the top. So I'll cut them in now so you can see all those. That was awesome. So did that, then we went and crashed at Deb's dad's for a little while up in Glasgow, and then now Deb has gone home, so I'm all on my own. What that means is me and Skye have got a week of more adventures, which I will film as much as I can. So I've left Glasgow, I've come down to Peebles because I want to go and have a go at Glen Tress bike park, bike trails, which is about 5 minutes from here. And then again, I'll do as much filming as I can, and then I'm going to head down to SCAFELL Pike, climb that. I will take my camera with me, and then I'm going to try and do Snowdon. So now I've done the biggest peak in the UK, I kind of feel like I should do the unofficial 3-peak challenge really, but not 24 hours. I'll do it over the course of about a week and get in as much mountain biking as I can. But yeah, so I will do better. I'm disappointed I didn't film BEN NEVIS, but oh well, it's what it is. Maybe I'll go back up it again. But where I am right now is just outside Peebles. Peebles looks brilliant. I'll get a drone shot actually in a second because, excuse me, from here I can get an epic drone shot. So the van is there, this little lovely car park, and then literally that is my view. Let me get a better shot of that. This is the view from my van. I'll get the drone shot up in a second so you'll be able to see it better. Everything looks better with the drone, doesn't it? Well, there's worse views to wake up to. So, me and Skye, Skye, yes. Me and the Labrador are gonna do some editing. Oh, hang on. Yeah, me and the Labrador are I think we're gonna chill out tonight, have a beer, and try and edit up and get the first video out, which will be the one where I started off in Skye. I think I was on, where was I? The Old Man of Store, that video. So I'm gonna edit that video, get it out tonight. And yeah, so I'll film as much as I can tomorrow and over the next few days, but lots to come. Stick around. Might be good, might be rubbish, but all we can do is try and have fun. Cool. Oh sweetheart, it's fucking hot. What have we done, Skye? So we've come from Peebles. I've had a big play at Glen Tress bike park. Hang on a minute. I didn't really film any of it because it's difficult to bike and film yourself. I need to get myself a decent GoPro really, but not really sure how interested you guys would be in seeing that, to be honest, because my bike videos don't get that much of a hit really. Don't get like a fraction of the hits of my van stuff, so I try and keep stuff van related, which is a bit of a shame because I like making mountain biking videos. So we're now, as you can see, a beautiful view. We're now coming down from Glentress Bike Park, and we're going to head to SCAFELL Pike to have a go at climbing the biggest mountain, or the biggest hill if you like, in England. So what's that, 3.5, there we go, what is it, on the old sit nav, 3.5 hours away. What do you reckon, old Sky? Coming up the mountain? Yeah. Right, back on the road, Lake District. Right, it's 5:10 and I've just arrived at the start of SCAFELL Pike. I don't know if it's a good idea starting it now, but it says online it's 5 hours round trip, but 3 hours up, 2 hours down. So I think I'm just gonna have a go, get ready, get my camera bag together, get my drone out, get my camera up there, and then we'll just have a go. We'll just stomp on, see if we can get it done, shall we? We're here. I don't really want to be camping up and wait until tomorrow morning because I want to get on the road and get down to Snowdon tomorrow, so let's just get it done. Right, Sky, are you ready? Yes? Show this in? You're such a tart, aren't you? Yes, you are. Right, I think it's that way. There you go, there's the path. So, should we do this then, I suppose? See how else is going to go. I'm probably about 50 feet up at the minute and I'm already knackered. It's bloody hot though. It's so hot, it's probably too hot to be doing this. Got a lovely view of the old lake, not lock because it's not in Scotland anymore, but I'll tell you what, that might be quite enticing in a bit, that thing. There was a load of people swimming in it as I drove past it on the way here. But the van is only like, I don't know if you can see it, like over there. You see the white, there you go, there, somewhere. So we haven't gone far. There's a few people coming down, so hopefully we might be one of the only people up there with maybe the sunset, because that would look awesome. Whew, right. I'll set the camera away now while I'm walking on these dodgy ass stones. That'll be annoying when I break the camera. Alright, see you in a bit. According to my watch, I'm exactly 1 hour in and I've walked about 3.5 kilometers. I don't know if it's all in my head, but it definitely feels harder than BEN NEVIS. I think it's because the path, like BEN NEVIS path, kind of zigzags up. You probably can't even see me because like the sun's so bright, but this kind of just goes straight up, so it's definitely more difficult. I say that, I can make all the excuses I want, can't I? I don't know how much farther there is to go. People on the way up said it was 3 hours to get to the top and I'm an hour in, so let's keep going. Hopefully we can catch that sunset. Let's carry on. I've been walking for 2 hours now, so I'm 2 hours into the climb, and as you can see, I'm pretty level with the top of all the like the hills and the mountains around me, I can hear a drone at the top. Well, I can hear a drone, sorry, so I really can't be far from the top now. Oh my god, look at this view, look at this. That is some view, isn't it? Hey Sky, I joined the old mountain goat. She's hot. Oh. If you actually look right in distance over there, you can see Sellafield just about. There's the tower, so you can see. Somewhere over there. Oh, so, I think, so 2 hours in, the lady I spoke to at the bottom said it took her 3 hours, so another hour will take me to about 9 o'clock, I think. What's the time now? Oh, it's 7:30, so it'll take me to 8:30, so that'll be alright. If I can get there for 8:30, surely the sun probably set. I don't know when the sun sets, but when the sun's quite low now, so as you can see behind me, hopefully I can get there for the sunset, maybe even time lapse the sunset, and get the old drone out. Sorry, it's a bit wobbly probably. There's people still coming down. Alright, see you at the top. Wow. That's me and my awesome little dog. Hey Sky, come on puppy, come here. You done well there, eh? You done so well, darling. That's 2 pigs out of 3, hey? I'll get you some water, darling, get you some water. So that is us alone, even better, on the highest peak in England. So we've done the UK, BEN NEVIS. We're now on our own at the top of SCAFELL Pike. And then the next video, because I'll cut this video here, the next video will be Snowdon. So that'll be the 3 peaks in less than a week. I know it's not 24 hours, but look at that. What a view. I nearly quit, to be fair. I very nearly quit, but I don't think it'd be as hard if it wasn't like 30 degrees today. Right, get some, I keep looking at that, sorry. I'm going to try and get a time lapse of the sunset up here, get the drone out for a flyabout, and then crash out probably for 10 minutes. But I'll see you in the next one, which will be Snowdon. Sweet!